Hello there, it's lesson time again, and this time we have a new lesson, and it's lesson number 13. We call sky view under perspective. Okay, so this time we will look at another way of drawing under the perspective lesson. Okay, so now I want you to look at our examples here. There, a flying bus. Okay, and here is a flying spaceship, a flying box, a flying brick. Okay, and you will see how this man is looking at it. So he's looking up. It means that our object is situated or placed above the horizon. Okay, above the horizon. Okay, uh, remember our, so this is where the horizon is, and this is where the object is. Okay, so it's up here, remember this. So the previous lesson is on the horizon, but this time we move up. Okay, we move. So and then we call this now sky view. Okay, sky view. Of course, it's worksheet time, and it's worksheet number 13. Okay, make sure that your worksheet is in the worksheet number 13. And again, let's start again to introduce you again. And what do you call this? Again, the first thing that we'll put is the, yes, the horizon. Horizon. And above the horizon, not on the horizon, not on the horizon, but above, way up. Okay, you can put as far as you can. Okay, but not here. Up, some more up. Okay, just push up. Okay, way up, way up. You can do like that. Okay, yes. Okay, so but this time, because we have limited space, we'll just put it somewhere at this level. Okay, so we have the already the horizon, and we know already where we can put the square. Okay, so we put the square anywhere. Everybody can draw a square, and then we put the vanishing point. Okay, the vanishing point, very important. And the corners. Okay, all the corners. Okay, all the corners of, and if you're going to put something in the middle, you can put there. Then we will connect all of that. Next, let's try. So it can be small, it can be big, square. Okay, it's up to you how much you want to do. Of course, then we have the vanishing point. Then we mark the corners of the box, and we will connect these boxes straight line to the vanishing point and cut somewhere. Okay, now this is very important. I want you to take note of this, where we will cut. Now imagine the letter L, okay, the letter L, which will be stepping somewhere here, this line on the corner. Okay, so L going down and going horizontal and stop there. Okay, now let's continue with this L, like so. Okay, so we will now darken our line like so, darken our line like so, darken like, okay, darken there, they will meet. So okay, that's our practice. Then we do the final. Okay, we do the final, and this time we will do and make it really, really, really neat. Okay. So we have, when you make the square as many times, you will perfect your square. And then mark the vanishing point, mark the corners, and then connect the dot, connect the dot. Okay, there, and then we cut. Put the L, stops in this line, and continue the L there, so that when we darken the line, which is the final line, you will have like this. Okay. Now, can there be any other? Can there be any other shapes? Yes, you can do shapes. So instead of a square, you can have a rectangle. Yes, rectangle like this. Okay, so we can have a rectangle, any shape, rectangle, as long as these corners will meet the vanishing point. Okay, you try this one. Okay, so we have our practice done. So what we'll do next is the test. Okay, let's test ourselves. Let's test ourselves so that we know that we really can do. And if you follow, you will get it. Okay, let's follow. Be patient. So the first thing that we'll do is the, okay, let me use the line there because it's there already, so we can have that line, this line. So this will be our horizon. Okay, this will be our horizon. And because we need to make big, okay, let's make big. Maybe we'll do a little experiment. So we have a sort of a rectangle. Okay, sort of a rectangle instead of a square. So I made up. We can put our vanishing point somewhere here. So this is our vanishing point, and we have the corner, and the corner. Okay, now let's that one, that one, and that one. So practice that one there, and then we can cut somewhere. So we put the letter L and go straight parallel to this. Parallel means from the horizon, and this one and this must be the same distance. Okay, this and this must be the same distance, so this is called now parallel. Okay, now L, your L should look like this. That's how it is. L, not like that, not like that, not like that, not like that. Okay, so be sure that this part is in L. Okay, L form, or 90 degrees. Okay, there. So let's make darken this one, darken this, and meet the dot there, and there. Okay, what is the best thing here that we can do? Okay, let's try. We can put a. Can you guess? Let's put this one here. Okay, we'll do practice again. The letter L. Letter L there. And another here. And whoa, okay, so we'll do like this. Okay, can you guess what's this? Can you guess what's this? What do you think is this? Yes. Okay, so this head is like this, and we just color under. Okay. And because it's under, so there's a bit of shadow there. And we put, okay. So, can you guess now? What's this? Yes, it's a gift. A flying gift. Okay, to be precise, it's a flying gift. So there you are. Okay. And of course, we can erase some of the guidelines to make it. So there, your flying gift. Okay, above. Okay, it's a sky view. So there, our examples are like the box chocolate. Okay. So from the worksheets, sky view. Okay, sky view. Again, remember that doing this, the object must be way above, okay, up above the horizon line. Okay, there you are. So I hope you learn something again on this video, and I want you to go and get your pencil and practice. Okay, follow the instruction carefully and do well. I believe that you can do it because everybody